Wale si Ng'ae.
Yes. Anasema wasee wenzake walimpeana.
Kwa nani?
Nikupea?
Hiyo ni kupeano.
Kuna watu tunakuagwa nao huku, lakini hujuagi wakikupeana. Na watu nao sio wa kuaminika.
Karago ithirio kuma ngari-ini.
No. You see what happened with Ng'ae? Kanitha wao ri. Paroko yao. The diocese ni rakungũagĩra kĩndũ gĩtagwo Jubilee. Yes.
Jubilee ni miaka 50.
Ni miaka 50 tondũ silver Jubilee ni 25. Full Jubilee. Ni gold Jubilee. Ni miaka 100. Mitano. Neo full Jubilee.
Full Jubilee.
Yes. Yes. So your gold. Onotikiri platinum. Yes. Leo oro tocio ri. You cannot mwezi nama ifanya nini?
Ipite.
Yeah.
No, hiyo inaitisha sherehe.
No, definitely. It has to ask for a commemorative moment. And it has to be organized. And you have to outdo yourself and go out of there.
Out of your way.
Yes.
Miaka 50 ti menini.
Ni. Ogitara nginya wa series amwe manjirie amwe matiriho na amwe manjirie mari ohori. It is a big achievement.
Ona niguo kora kanitha gugethererwo aya mabatithirio mwaka ucio.
Yes. Ukona moka na namba kora. Ndio mari brigade. Ndio mari asa.
Kana nginya bekire uhiki mwaka ucio.
Na
probably they are still around.
Absolutely. Of course, you look around the foundational years of such an establishment. Mugakũngũĩra kihumo nginya where you are.
Yes.
Leo Ng'ae ri na thuri maragitaskwo nao ni makeana kindu gito presentation na marero tondu muthikabu ni aroka ri. It will be very unfortunate marugame hau na mabuku ta mutu. You know, actually, which reminds me, kanitha wa, I don't know, it is St. what? Why is it umoja ri? Kwa yao ya thuri marai ne kiurauga we. Marai ni kuria gikunduro kia bishofu. Ando maragega. Athuri. Very very awesome choir. Ya nyota mathomaga. Yekoja ito St. K. Ni wathuri cio marero, you have to outdo yourself, come up with something
something new
and unique. Yes.
Igongona riu ni inene miaka 50 ti menini.
Yes. Marakiuga atiriri. Ni maracio weka ithako ria ngerekano marero kaundu kau ri ni cliché.
Riu ndirikitwo muno.
Yes. Hindi ciothe twina maundu ta ma muthemba ucio ri mwikaga
ithako
na muthako ria ri mweri ya Jesu.
Marakiro bagarurire.
Yes. Marakio na inspiration from some of their youth. Makoro na acrobatic troupe. Maramena no mamonie simple acrobatic moves. Yeto ya acrobatic. Aya magera thini wa kiria. Wa mavuva. Yes.
Na mifara.
Yes. Ukona rehe gatende haho gwe igoti.
Ng'ae no makuhota riu.
Well, but you kirurerio hau to ningi he ondu mangika mahuruke.
Kana mage dislocation.
Yes. Marakionio very simple moves. You know, acrobats have the pro set and the amateur. The amateur set. Then marakoretwo makionio kahora. Na andu aria mararagira rehearsal they all were agreeing it is going to be the highlight of the
event.
Yes. Ukiona cia thuri mena abui mekirite nguo cia makariri.
Nema they went out of their way.
Ndio matingetikia we acrobat ungia gwikira nguo yake. Yake kare. That is now it's a mindset. Wona andu mekite guo no menya aya ni menyonyo ya kuruga iguru
akoigira mugaragari-ini.
Yes. Akura suma. Muthenya uragikinya. It was actually this Sunday. And my oh my. On appearance to your stage.
Giri kiraba kirahura ruhi.
Yes. Marage kiroro bro Zamina waka waka zamina sangalewa anawatata jambu Ibi zangaleba. Ibi.
Zangaleba.
Ibi. Maraja kutoida. Adu mana uraro hereria hala igiro megaragari ere ere iganagirirwo. Mo kamaro gita. Ore marake igiro mukondoro just in case. The marigiro muto in case of a miscalculation. The landing out there very neat. You see the young ones, my head, and I could move you. You want your man walk, you are deep. I hear the narrative. Nimanadi has it the entire set. A young acrobat. In the hello, Maria, mwaki mayaka.
Aya, Marco Hugaginya Mwaki.
You do a muy new. I thought the night take you are doing. I thought the other only. We were dragon motor testing. Wow.
Oh, Steve Simple.
Yes. I take you are doing. Remember, we are dragon motor testing. Wow. Haku, Hukunua, dragon motor testing. Wow.
Maue Mwaki.
Ng'ae no rari hasete kaundu kau nake na thibereti no thibereti ndire kirire mbike ukienge gucina ikene kihora ke
narua
riu karagikinya hau arambara kia gicinga yakagio arambara bia hua sirikali
makofi nĩ ta ngwa.
Yes. Riu ũrĩa megeragĩria mwaki ũcio moko-inĩ. Riu anga wa Ng'ae aratuĩka excited. You see, every time you get a standing ovation, it gets you drunk with power. And the chances of you overdoing.
Ng'ae arona nĩ macikire piũ.
Yes. Arona nĩ karĩire.
Nake arauongerera madoido.
Yes. Aiteria thibereti ĩngĩ bwa. Aranjĩra rĩu kũrehe mwĩrĩ ũyũ thĩ. Akĩarũkia gũkũ maru-inĩ rĩ. Araiguire vu. Na nĩ ngutho icio cia acrobat rĩ. Iko kana iro nĩ polyester keho.
Nĩ itirio ihũthũ.
Yes. Arĩa menao matiambire kũrealize this is an emergency.
Mareciria nĩ party ya cast.
Mareciria wa Ng'ae knows the end game. By the time I realize this is now overboard, nĩtĩri ũrarehirwo stage.
Ng'ae ahorio.
Arakure go back zita inyanya. Namae. You see, luckily, it did not suffer any burns. The fire was very superficial on the clothes. They would done here. No, accused.
Fellow performers.
I thought the bishop I kwario horo ucio. He was very serious. No akijana ruga netwakenio ni ithako riu ria thuri muno. Na akija tora magi. Ada kana maragata.
Maragwa na mitheko.
Yes. Ng'ae ndara convince one mundu. Ati gutire sabwat.
Arĩ mũbangĩre.
Arauga arĩ mũbangĩre thibereti ĩno nĩ ĩratatĩirio gabetũrũ kĩ?
Kanini. Menendaga hĩ.
Na arauga nĩ arareganĩte biũ. Na mũcai kũingĩrio squad-inĩ ũyũ tondũ nĩ maharanagĩra mũgũnda.
Auga nĩ igũrũ rĩraregire nake.
Ti mũkenu tondũ handũ hau no haratureni mĩtandao. Andũ makiandĩka hau usipofanya vitu ukiwa mdogo.
Huyu ni guka ya nani?
Wang'ara gwĩthambĩte tĩri thikũ inya mfululizo. Oneni babu yenyu. Gooks nae.
Arauga ari mubangire kuneano.
Arauga seferetio ni ratateirio ki?
Kabeturu.
Super. Gikirere mbukoguo niki? Toge bundithia ri.
Ndiakana gogwa.
Ndiarere mbukoguo. Akero. Ng'ae. Haria muraigeirwo njukua ri. Rugo ni rurahurutanaga ki?
Muno. Ni urabati umenye ruhuho rurauma naku.
Ni urabati umenye mahura ruhiri. Ndiarugameire ha.
Hau.
Kira kiatumire we harurukie kiririmbi ri. Lauga bana. Ti ruhuho.
Ucio ni mucai.
Ni mucai. Na nenju arakamire Chevrolet yake atigire guthie.
Nigetha
he munde ndematigire ithaka.
ahote guthongia muhaka.
Atura ndauci cieno mugunda waheanio ni guka we na guka we ari ngati. I say that was an attempted assault.
That was a close shave.
No, it was a close one. No, he.
Thaici Muthee Ng'ae nani?
Ndirakwira ndie murandu iria jana munde guku. Ndo marauga athiri ni kwirire otige njiri. Ndiratumire ndumire ya gicuaini.
Ona ciana ikibundithio kirirari ni iriragwo mwaki uri uhana.
Makerago nuona icuo ria rihana.
Ai jaja na fotepo.